If you are looking for the best rolling toolbox, here is a collection you have got to see. Number 1. DEWALT Tool Box. Toolbox. The DEWALT Mobile Storage Deep Box on Wheels is classified as the best portable rolling toolbox because it offers maximum storage volume. It features a metal plastic telescopic handle that gives you the ability to let the storage compartment of the toolbox lean back for easy portability. Not only that, but this is the best portable tolling toolbox because it includes a push button that is capable of opening and closing the handle. Because of that, this portable rolling toolbox can be stored in a variety of different places. Number 2. Toolbox. The Stalwart heavy-duty rolling toolbox, an option for those who spend more time off-site than they do on. The large capacity gives you plenty of storage options, and it might just be the most comprehensively equipped mobile toolbox we've selected. Inside, you'll find 24 small compartments including removable tool trays and a deep bottom compartment for larger tools. There are also hooks attached to the unit which makes cable organization something you won't dread doing. Number 3. Ketter Masterloader Resin Rolling Tool Box. The product that offers the best value in mobile tool storage is the Ketter Masterloader Resin Rolling Tool Box, which is a mouthful, sure, but the time you spend telling people what it is you'll also save in convenience, mobility, and satisfaction, all at a fantastic price. This robust little marvel on wheels is deceptive in its durability, and combines both strengths with a lightweight construction that makes it easy to carry in and out of the van, and saves you struggling upstairs ever again. Your items will be safe, as the Ketter boasts a central locking system that ensures safety and security. Number 4. BOSTITCH Tool. Number 4. BOSTITCH Tool Box. Substantially sized option. The BOSTITCH Toolbox is an excellent option for anyone who needs storage space for large jobs or is sick of needing several toolboxes, each of which more cluttered than the last. You can separate it into 2 parts, which maximizes productivity and ensures fast arranging, making it wonderfully convenient for when you've got to attend multiple jobs in one day. It is on the slightly more expensive side of rolling toolboxes, but ball-bearing slides that are robust and the 10-gallon volume offers an array of storage possibilities. Number 5. Number 5. XtremepowerUS Rolling Tool Bag. The XtremepowerUS Rolling Tool Bag is recommended as the best portable rolling toolbox because it's ideal for storing different things, including both toolsets as well as individuals' tools. More specifically, this tool bag can conveniently store smaller power tools and handheld tools. In addition to that, this is the best portable rolling toolbox because it contains large main compartments as well as 10 additional internal pockets for additional storage and organization. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.